Imagine driving this car every weekend. Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to a car event once again. It's a sort of underground parking garage kind of event, something like that. I still have to drive a half an hour, so I see you guys when I'm there. So I made it to the event, but it's pretty busy, so I parked somewhere in some kind of neighborhood. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so there's this crazy MX-5 that was just two-stepping. There's this low Golf. R35, it's pretty much stock. Looks very sick. Mustang over here with the lights. Another Mustang with a Toyota. I don't know how to say that. It's pretty cool. That generation or this generation? This looks pretty sick. Are these stock wheels? I like it. Okay, we got Scirocco. There's someone revving over there, but very low Scirocco over here. Audi A1 with the roadies. Looks pretty clean and low. Corvette over there. C6. It's actually a 06. A huge wing. What the fuck is this? It's a Tesla with police surveillance. Look at this, guys. I go fully tuned with a lot of modifications, and it has neon. A1 guys with the wheels. RS3 with the OZs. Like that. E46. Chrome wheels. And a bright yellow. It's very low, this car. These are some Rams, but this is a gold Ram with the neons. Green Ram, but they almost don't fit in the Dutch garage. What do you think, guys? Should I put this emblem on my GTI as well? With a sort of red inserts in it. Sort of matte yellow. This Volkswagen CC. Looks pretty clean, to be honest. Sort of has a Renault color. A45 AMG. Looks pretty nice, to be honest, with the color. It's pretty good from the back too. I actually love these stripes, to be honest. Cooper S over here. It's also very low with the white wheels. Imagine driving this as a daily, cleaning the wheels every day. And over here we got this slammed S4. Front bumper seems okay. I like the wheels. It's green Polo GTI. Looks really good with the sort of bronze gold wheels, and especially those red details. It's pretty nice. M2 over here with the gold wheels. Actually goes pretty well with the white. Look at this car. It's with the number 69 and this sort of awkward sponsor. Can't really name it on YouTube, but looks pretty funny. And another Golf. It's also slammed as well, but apparently this was a financial mistake for him. R33 Skyline. Wait, this is such a cool looking car. Wow, just have no words for this. Also has a pretty big spoiler. Right, I really like this car. Over here, we've got a few McLarens. It's a 600 LT, it's a McLaren GT, and a 650S. With the doors. Oh, with the doors up. Wow, just have no words for this. It's looking so cool. I actually saw this the other week, so check that video out as well. Imagine driving this car every weekend. What a dream car is this. With the interior, a lot of carbon fiber parts. It's looking so good. What do you think about the GT? Apparently this is a daily driver supercar, but I don't have the money for it, so I can't tell you. A little bit less carbon fiber parts. And of course the 600 LT. You can't really understand me, but this is the 600 LT. Looks pretty cool. And a very low Tesla over there, but it's electric, so I'll move on to the next one. Golf 5 GTI with the gold wheels. And the green starlet with the carbon fiber, with some carbon fiber on it. Kind of looks a little bit like a Japanese Mr. Bean car. A pink S15. Right. This is such a cool car. I'm saying that to almost every car, and you can't really understand me, but stop two-step. I want to talk to my viewers. The ST. I actually like the wheels, to be honest, and a mask. 370. I actually saw this on Yapfest a few videos ago, so check that out as well. And my dream car, the 350Z. With the carbon fiber hood and the iconic C63 AMG. Also from the back, I really like the back and the exhaust of this. If you straight pipe this car, if you do a straight pipe on this car, my ears are bleeding. Without the roof, this would be the perfect summer car, to be honest. Wide body E36 with a sort of RGB lighting. This is the Rocket Bunny kit on it. What you think about the fit, man? I like the wheels though. Looks pretty cool from the back. Give this man a follow, cause look at his wing. Another Cooper S. This tracks back as well. This would be pretty funny to go on a track with. You guys know what this car is. It's the Toyota Supra. And it has the manual in it, if you can see it. It's pretty dark over here, but it's a Supra. Not an 845. This one is a little bit more modified than the other one. With the Brabus wheels and a yellow tire lettering. Imagine driving this as a family car. This would be the perfect family car. MX-3, there are a lot of modifications on it. I like this with the wheel. And a Volkswagen Transporter on bags with a huge spoiler on it. And another Audi. Very low as well. Absolutely love the wheels on this. It's really hard to film over here with a lot of stuff in the way and all of that, but look at this chassis mounted wing sort of. Look at this exhaust setup. That's so cool about this car. I've never seen these wheels. Wow, it's actually looking pretty nice, pretty clean. With a huge exhaust on it. It's pretty nice. This Polo Harlequin with the wheels again. Mate, almost everyone got nice wheels today. And a Golf 6R. This or my GTI? To be honest, these things are way faster than my GTI. This Scirocco has a Bullix exhaust. I also want that kind of exhaust on my GTI. Purple Audi with a lot of modifications. And it also has a pretty big wing. R32 with the Bentley wheels. And this is my dream Golf. The VR6. These are the best sounding Golfs ever. With the yellow roll cage in it. You can't even hear me, but this Audi that was two-stepping the whole time. The crazy pops and bangs. There's a lot of bass and music going on in the background, but it's Lotus, casually parked under here. It's a pretty nice looking Miata. With the wide body and everything on it. Setup is pretty nice, to be honest. With the exhaust setup, looks pretty aggressive. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed, because I did at least. But yeah, make sure you give a like, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel, and also follow my Instagram R19 Robbin. And with that having said guys, see ya!